Alright guys, welcome back to Outlaw Bayou Rider. As you can see, I've got quite a bit done. I still have a little bit more to go. I plan on painting the brake caliper. As you can see, it's black with green. I plan on doing the rotor and these little crowns, I guess. I don't know what you would call those that go on top of the forks, but I plan on pulling those off, getting those painted. And I'm still trying to decide if I'm going to pull these off or if I'm just going to replace them with some that are similar to go on here. I'm actually just looking the bike over because it fell over about an hour ago, and I'm just meticulously going over everything, making sure nothing's broken or scratched or anything like that. I had to pull the kickstand off in order to get my forward controls out of the way in order to get the exhaust pipes off. So I was out here by myself. I didn't have any help, and yeah, I need to get myself one of those bike you put the front tire in it and it holds it up. I can't remember what it's called, bike jack or something like that. But as you can see, I got this little bit left to paint here, and then I do plan on getting started on the fuel tank. Let's see here. I still got to pull off the back tailpipe on this side, get it taken care of, but I'm getting ready to wrap the other side. But I mean, as you can see, I got quite a bit done. I mean, it looked like someone just came through and just destroyed this bike, but I mean, that's the nature of the beast, of getting everything taken care of, you know. But it is starting to come out looking pretty good. And then once I fire it up, I'll be taking it on its maiden voyage. Because like I said, I'm probably just going to ride it a couple times and then take it to Facebook Marketplace. Post it on Facebook Marketplace, and first person that wants it can have it. This thing's been a bit of a headache to me, and again, I need something with a lot more power and a bigger frame. So like I said, I'll ride it a couple times, enjoy it a little bit, but I'll be quickly putting it on Marketplace and probably Craigslist as well. And first bite I get, if it's not a person trying to lowball me, they can have it. And it does have a clean title. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. More to come. Later, Gators.